State bird of Seven Sister in India. The Great Hornbill. The Great Hornbill is called Homrai in Nepal and Banrao in Missouri, both meaning king of the jungle. It is the official state bird of the Indian states of Kerala and Arunachal Pradesh. Green Imperial Pigeon. The green imperial pigeon Ducula aenea, a large forest pigeon, is the state bird of Tripura. Nongan. The state bird of Manipur. Mrs. Hume's pheasant. Mrs. Hume's pheasant's scientific name is Sirmaticus humei. This bird is also known by other names like Nongan in Manipuri and Hume's bar-tailed pheasant. It is a long bird with a grayish-brown head and a reddish facial patch. White-winged wood duck. White-winged duck or white-winged wood duck is the state bird of Assam. Locally known as Diohan, the white-winged duck, or white-winged wood duck, Asarcornis scuculata, is an endangered species of duck. Blith's tragopan, vulnerable species beautifully reserved at the Fakam Wildlife Sanctuary at Kifiri District under 68 C. Pungro Kifiri. Mrs. Hume's pheasant. The Mizoram state bird is Mrs. Hume's pheasant, which is also the state bird of Manipur. It is also known as Vavu in the Mizo language. Hill Myna. Hill Myna is the state bird of Meghalaya. Shiny green-black top with a bright orange-yellow patch on bare skin and fleshy braids on the sides of the head and neck. A large white wing patch that stands out during flight, but is mostly covered when the bird is perched.